Hi everyone, I hope you're staying safe and well right now. My name's Hannah and today I'm going to be the last video of the lesson. So basically what my role was is I will be introducing two resources that we found to be effective when teaching vocabulary development. So let's jump right in. The first resource is Flippity, and we're just going to be following the steps along the side here, and I want to show you my own creation, and I hope that you all could use the resources that I show you today. And for this Flippity one that I show you now, we would like you guys to screenshot your results and paste them into the discussion board following the videos. So the first thing that we're going to do is modify the Google spreadsheet template. So what you have to do is make a copy of the template, and after you open it up, it'll look something like the one I'm about to click. I have already edited mine with the terms that I want, so let's go over that. So this is the list where all of your terms will go. It'll come with names in there already, so you can just take those out and put in your own, put in the definitions. That's what I did. You can also change the different colors. I have all red, that just for the sake of what I would like mine to look like, but you can make them any color you want. You can make every single one of them different. You can make two of them the same. So if you want the term and the definition to be the same color just to match them together, you can make those two the same. It's completely up to you, and that's what one of the things that's so great about this resource is. So the next thing that we have here is the background. So you can have any of these backgrounds here. That's what it comes with it. I have not touched that. I haven't added any. So basically, if you want to add something, add a background, anything from the web, anything from your personal gallery, all you have to do is paste that here. So after you have all of the things in there that you would like to include, what you're going to do is go up to File, and you will go to Publish to Web. Since mine has already been published to the web, mine looks a little bit different, but just follow along with my instruction. So what you're going to do is you would hit publish here. That's mine's, it says published. It'll be green, and you hit publish, X out, go to the link at the bottom that says get link here, and when you do that, this will come up. You click that link, follow the link, and this is what it should look like. So it looks something like this. You're looking at it now, you might be, this is a little bit scattered. I can see where this would be useful, but it's not necessarily what I'm looking for. Well, let me blow your mind for a second. So down here in the bottom corner, you see the little settings arrow, settings here. You can click these arrows, and you remember the backgrounds that I introduced before? Well, basically you can click through here, and any of those are things that you can have on your screen. So what I decided to do, since I have 8 words, 8 terms, I believe, I decided to click the 8 grid, and I'll show you my creation. So after clicking this, it should look something like this. So basically what I did was I took all of the red terms, which is the terms themselves, and I left the definitions white. And so with these grids, it was an easy way to be able to distinguish each word and their definition. So you could drag the definition up to the term, which that's not correct, but you could drag them however you want, and it could be used in a classroom because with any vocabulary words, this would be awesome to have students go up to the smartboard, have students do this on their own. Great resource to have, and super effective for checking for students' understanding. So the second resource that I want to show you guys today is called Vortex. So here we go. It's Vortex game. So basically you can put in your own put in your own name. I chose, as you guys saw, vocabulary development. And then you can have up to 4 different category titles. So we don't want to have all the vocabulary names here. That's not what we're looking for. We are looking to categorize them. So basically, if you have a list of your vocabulary words and their definitions, you can just basically copy and paste. So here is mine, and what I'm going to do is paste mine in from my document into the Vortex space here. So 1 second while I do that. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have put many of the terms in here. I've just broken it down into 3 categories, those being auditory based, knowledge based, and teaching vocabulary. That is what we felt broke down the terms enough, and I have included some of the definitions in there as well. So let's paste the last definition that I included, and then at the bottom you will hit save. So the game was successfully received. Okay. So this is a screen that's going to come up whenever you begin to play the game. And so here's how you play. Drag and drop each card into the correct vortex. The quicker you are, the better your score is. So basically, you're going to be dropping the terms and some definitions that I decided to include, and you drag them to the each vortex here. So, and you see as quickly as you can do it. So after you do that, after you finish, you can paste your score into the discussion board, or you can just play to test your development. Test your knowledge on what you've learned today. So just to show you guys, so I'll hit start here, and so this is just showing you guys what it would do. So listening vocabulary, what would that go under? That would go under auditory based. So I drag it to auditory based. If you get it correct, it will go there. So see, if it isn't correct, it will bounce back and allow you to just keep going. The only thing that damages you is you would get longer time because you were not successfully matching. So to wrap up the vocabulary lesson, let's reflect on everything that you learned today. So first, you talked with Carrie, and she introduced words that we found were important for vocabulary development. You created a graphic organizer so you can see the progression in your understanding with the words. Then you spoke with Macy, and you watched many videos, and then you came to me, and to wrap it up, we played a couple of games, we learned a couple of new resources, and we hope that you guys learned a lot from this lesson, and thank you for watching.